a course companion, one lesson, start to finish. Today, ownership in Rust, the idea that makes robot firmware safe. The bench opens on real, no STD firmware. It tries to grab the motor controls into their own variable and then drive, press compile and run. It refuses to build. The borrow checker has caught you moving the motors out of a borrowed reference. In many languages, this compiles and fails later, out on the robot. Here, it stops at your desk. Read the message. It says exactly what and where. You cannot move a value out of P, because P is behind a mutable reference. The fix is small. Don't copy the motors into a variable. Drive them through the borrow. Call p.motors.set directly. Compile again. It builds. The firmware runs as the real control loop, and the rover drives itself to the pad. Same logic as before, but now the compiler proved it safe before a single motor turned. That is the lesson. In Rust, whole classes of bugs are caught at compile time, not in the field. For a machine that moves in the real world, that is the difference between a warning and a wreck. This lesson is live and free in your browser. Do it yourself, then take the next one. Rust for Physical AI.